Trapper Day, January the 20th. This is actually check day number 1 for traps. We're just getting started. I haven't got to any sets yet. We're fixing to start making around. So we'll see here in a few minutes if we got anything or not. If we do, I'll try to take some pictures and stuff like that. Might make quite a few videos. Like I've said before, you don't catch every night, so sometimes you do, sometimes you don't. But anyway, it's just one of them things where if you don't try, you don't do no. If you don't, it's one of them things. If you don't try, you sure won't catch anything. So anyway. We're just out cruising around. Okay, there's my last set I put in, my cubby set. Don't look like there's been anything bothered it. We're gonna get out here and check. But as the way it looks like we're empty on it. No, we're still good. Everything's still set. But we're gonna go on around. We got several things to check, a lot of traps to check, some snares. So we're gonna move on around. We'll catch y'all here. We've about got all the checks made. We went around to pretty much everything. We got one couple left, but so far we've come up empty-handed this morning. That happens, just like everything else. We're in a good spot, but we're not. We don't know how everything runs a lot of the time, so we're having to figure it out. But I'm gonna there's another one of our cubby sets there. Looks like something may have been in it, but I'm gonna get out and check and fix it back. The wind was horrible yesterday, so it may have blown stuff around. But anyway, we're about through checking for today. We'll come back in the morning and make another round and see what happens. And until then, we'll see you all out in the field.